Hi, welcome. My name is Ching, and today I am out of Vegas in the Philippines, and I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful beaches here. This is Boracay. We've arrived in Caticlan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So you guys, we're here, Caticlan. Now we're gonna head over to Boracay. All right, let's find our boat. I see you guys. Guys, let's find our seat. And our last mode of transportation is hopping on a bus to get to our hotel. Let's go, we're almost there. All right, here's our last thing that we need to do is get on this hop-on, hop-off shuttle to get us to our hotel.
Welcome to Residencia, Boracay. We're happy to have you here.
It's lovely, I like it. It's a very kind of a cozy type of hotel rather than a big box type. This is their sort of sitting area by the front desk. I love the colors. So watery blue. Okay, let's check out the room. This is a deluxe 2-bed, 2 double beds. Oh, I like the color. It's very beachy, green and blue. So these are 2 double beds. Here's a desk. And the TV. This is the closet. There's a safe, very simple closet. There's a safe and just some drawers on the bottom and hangers to hang a few items. And let's check out the bathroom. Okay, very basic. It's got a sink, of course, a toilet, and right here is a shower. All right, and that's the room. But really, the killer part of this room is the fantastic view. Here, when you open the curtain, there's a door that pushes out. And you guys, our hotel is right on the beach. All right, let me turn really quick. There's 2 chairs back here where you can kind of sit and enjoy the view, have breakfast in the morning. And then if you turn around and look out, we're literally at the beach. Look at this view, you guys. They have their own restaurant which faces the beach. And as a guest here, they have a breakfast set up. A little buffet breakfast set up every morning, which it's past breakfast, so we will have to do that tomorrow. But this is what the restaurant looks like if you eat here. Tables on sand. It faces the beach. Let's walk to the beach. Oh my God, it's beautiful, you guys. People typically swim in the morning because it's really hot in the afternoon. It is really sunny. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And as you can see, well, you'll see in a second, not a lot of people in the water at this time. It is just entirely too hot. I heard it was going to be we weren't going to get a lot of sun tomorrow, so I thought this was a great day to show you guys what it looks like. I'm actually going to turn around so you guys can see. This is where we are staying. What makes it amazing is you walk a few steps out and you're right here at the beach. This is what we came here for. Gorgeous, you guys. Oh my goodness. So these clear kayaks are crystal kayaks. It's 250 pesos for 15 minutes, just enough to take a photo. So what it is it's clear. So when you sit on it, the water's under you and you get a really fantastic shot of yourself in the water. Here it is, the famous Boracay sunset. Check it out, you guys. Look at the ripples. I love that effect too. We finally got some sun and it's time to hit the water. Let's go. Hey guys, it's about 88 degrees, or no, about 85 degrees Fahrenheit in the Philippines, in Boracay. The water feels perfect. It's not too cold, not too warm. And there's a little wave, there's a little bit of a wave coming in, but we're still good. I like it. There's boats sailing in the background, people on their paddleboard, people taking photos. It's beautiful. Oh, shoreline now. Fun fact, I don't know how to swim. I just like to splash around in the water. Like I said, a lot of water activities right behind me. Someone's about to get on a hoverboard. That is the coolest thing, you guys. You gotta see this. This trip to Boracay is a highlight of my trip here in the Philippines. Boracay is constantly ranked as one of the top 10 beaches in the world, and I can see why, with the beautiful sunset, the white sand, and it's just a perfect place to chill and have a cocktail like I'm doing now. Guys, check out this beautiful restaurant and bar. I love the lights in this. In the background, you're gonna hear like some people playing some instruments walking down the beach, kind of some nighttime entertainment. But in here, wow, this is a gorgeous restaurant. Oh, they have fresh seafood. I love it. Some of the options if you're in Boracay where you can dine. I can't help but want to check out where that music's coming from. Let's go check out where that is. It's kind of dark now on the beach. If you're looking out in the water, it's actually pitch dark. Let's go find that music. All right, you guys, it's kind of loud. I found the music. These people randomly playing on the beach. Is the kind of buffet breakfast they offer here every morning from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. So it's available for all guests. Let's take a look at what they have. They have plain rice, just normal steamed rice, and they have garlic fried rice. Ooh, looks good, you guys. And they have fish fillet. Good morning. With a little dipping sauce on the side. It's kind of like a honey mayo sauce. And tocino, which is a popular Filipino breakfast item, as well as the kind of like a fried fish. I've never heard this. Humoy humoy is what it's called. I've never heard that before. And to the left, they have some fruit, fresh fruit, some cantaloupe and watermelon. Ooh. They have a kind of a fudge brownie. This is so you can make a small salad, because I just noticed that they have some leaves up here. Some lettuce. Coincidentally, I just did a video on champorado. Told you guys it's popular for breakfast, and so they have it here. Let me open it and see what that looks like. There it is. It's kind of like, I best described it as like chocolate oatmeal. And over on this side, yay, coffee and tea, essentials of breakfast. And to go with your coffee or tea, they have kind of like a little cinnamon twist, pastry, and some few cold cuts and cheese. Ooh, to go with their pandesal. Pandesal is a Filipino bread that's often eaten in the morning. And they have some mango jam and strawberry jam to go with that. If you're not feeling a Filipino roll, they have a croissant. You can also see, it's like a Las Vegas buffet. You can even have eggs or pancakes made, customized the way you want it, with some butter and sliced white bread. If you want some cereal, you know, this is pretty complete for a small boutique hotel. They've got some cereal choices. And here are our condiments. Okay, it's time to make some pancakes. All right, here we go. Ooh, that looks good. All right, I just had a small pancake made. So a little bit about Boracay. There are 4 different stations, starting with Station 0, which is kind of a really high-end, they have their own cove, exclusive kind of beach. And then we're staying in Station 1, which is kind of the luxury side, a lot more older crowd, not old, but older as opposed to like the party scene. You'll find Discovery Shores here, which is a very somewhat high end. I'll put the prices of how much it costs to stay there, but somewhat high end. That's why the one where we're staying, the Residencia Boracay, is kind of a hidden gem because Discovery is just like two doors down, but it doesn't cost as much to stay here. Station 2 is definitely your party scene, younger set, louder, parties on the beach. And then in Station 3 is what they called Old Boracay. That's kind of the first part of Boracay. So it's also a very quiet scene over there, but a lot of older European people who hang out there, probably because they've been coming to Boracay a long time and they're kind of used to that. So those are 4 different stations. So another fun fact about Boracay is supposedly some Halloween celebrities have come this way secretly, kind of so they could stay away from the public eye. I've heard that Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt have been here, and back in the day, Robert De Niro, celebrities used to just fly straight here and kind of enjoy the day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye!